These are the brand new kits that have been released, corresponding with a brand new Netflix Gundam series, which I started watching yesterday.
And I don't mean to speak poorly of the supply chain, but it worked out.
It did.
They were in store
Just
before the day of the release of the Netflix series.
That's it.
I don't know how they did it because they don't even know what shoes they're wearing most days.
That's right.
But they did this.
So the release of this kit, or these two kits, corresponds with Japan as well. So they had their series start yesterday as well on Netflix.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it would have been a worldwide release, I imagine, somewhat.
That's right. This is Gundam Requiem for Vengeance. And it's actually seen from the opposing side, I guess.
How do you know that? Have you
Because I watched it.
Did you?
I watched two episodes last night.
Is it good?
It's interesting. It's got the computer graphic type animation, like the old school games, right?
I've never watched Gundam, but this I think I might start.
It's pretty gruesome. There's a bit of blood. There's a bit of guts.
Isn't it anime?
No, it's CG. So it looks realistic.
It's not like Squid Games.
No, it's not. It's not live. but it's amazing. The effects and everything. It is quite amazing, and it's quite involved with. I don't know. It's quite dramatic.
Did you get your mech on?
Yeah.
Did you get inspired?
I was focused.
Well?
I was focused. Because I've never been able to watch Gundam before. Like, the original Gundam is also on Netflix, and I haven't been able to sit through it.
I never have seen a single episode, and it just intimidates me because there's thousands upon thousands.
There's a lot of them. There's a lot of them. But I think I could start with this.
If you're going to start, this is probably not a bad place.
I reckon, because it's modern and it's easily accessible, and you can discuss it with other people who haven't seen it before.
And we got like 45 of each of these on day one. Yep. And I love it when we get Gundam because the Gundam guys and gals are unlike the other departments, and they just like full warehouse, don't they?
Yeah.
It's like going to DFO. There's Gundam this, there's action bases, there's markers.
That's right. And it's all, it's all related. And we've got the Zaku, which is the protagonist. And then you got the Gundam, which has appeared, which seems like the baddie. And it's normally the other way around.
I want to do this one.
Yeah?
Yep. I like it. I like this one.
Brand new. So HGs.
This one. I like this one.
Yeah, it's pretty mean looking.
It's cool, isn't it?
Yeah. So we got them now.
I might have to
get in quick because I think
I might have to speak to Vince and get one ready for Model Expo 2024.
Why not? Make sure he signs it in your name, right?